broken leg, we could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me, and if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, your makeup's on my shoulder, and tell me if I lie down, would you stay now and let me hold ya? Oh, but if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving